Aspose.Imaging Resize Application was designed to help you fast and easy resize with various options. The resize process is fully interactive. First, you need to upload a file or a range of files to the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the files all together. After uploading completes, you can review the uploaded files and optionally cancel some of them for processing. After uploading the file or files, you can configure the resize options. Please note that options have an effect on all of the uploaded images. You can select to resize your images either by percentage or exact dimensions in pixels. When you select exact dimensions, you can also specify any aspect ratio you like, while percentage keeps aspect ratio automatically. Additionally, you can specify a new background color in case the image has transparency. Another option is the resize algorithm itself and the desired output file format in case you wish both to resize and convert your image. Please note that this is just a demo showing a subset of features that Aspose.Imaging is capable to perform. You can download the full product for more features, link is at the video description. When you are satisfied with the resize options, then you may either download the result directly or specify an email to send the compression result to. This is especially useful if you have a batch of files to process. We hope that you have found this little tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.